Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared shrimp spring rolls. These shrimp spring rolls are prepared according to my taste test because in many places I've tasted this shrimp spring rolls. It's very bland. So today I'm going to show you my version of spring rolls. Here I have prepped and reserved all the ingredients for this recipe. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video along with a detailed blog post. I have cleaned all the veggies, finely chopped it and reserved. Then the prawns is cooked. I've cut the prawns in half and reserved. We need rice vermicelli. It's cooked as per package directions and reserved. We need spring roll sheets for this recipe. Now let's start with the recipe. I'm going to prepare the sauce first for this recipe because you prepare the sauce and you refrigerate it until use. It will enhance the taste and flavor of the sauce. Here in a bowl I've added hot water, vinegar, date syrup, and I've also added roasted and crushed peanuts. We need to add grated ginger, finely chopped lime leaves and chilies. I've added salt and sugar. I'll combine all these ingredients. Just check for salt, sugar or date syrup if needed. You can add it. Then you can dilute the sauce with warm water again. Place a cover and refrigerate this sauce until use. You cannot find the sauce anywhere else. This is prepared according to my taste and it turned out very nice. I've used all natural ingredients in this recipe. It's very nice and tasty. So the sauce is ready. I'll place a cover and refrigerate it. Now I'm going to start preparing the vermicelli noodles. In many places I've tried the spring rolls. The spring rolls, the construction of the spring rolls consistency is very nice, but the taste and flavor is very bland. So these are all my own prep and my own way of preparing the spring rolls. Here for the vermicelli noodles, since I cooked it ahead of time and reserved, it was clumpy. I've just separated the noodles and added it to a wok. I'll add the sesame oil, roasted and crushed peanuts and salt. We also need to add tiny amount of lime juice. Mix all these ingredients and heat it up for a minute or 2 minutes time, just for the vermicelli noodles to fluff up again and to have that fresh taste. So now here you can see the noodles are done. I'm just going to reserve it on a plate and we'll start preparing the spring rolls. You can also heat up water ahead of time, lukewarm water, and reserve it in a bowl because we need to dip the spring roll sheets in warm water. So all this prep work I will post detail on my blog, friends. So do visit my blog for the detailed recipe. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. So now I'm going to dip the spring roll sheets in the warm water, not hot water. So I've dipped the spring roll sheets in warm water and placed it on the kitchen counter. Now I'm going to layer the spring roll sheets with lettuce, shredded carrot, cabbage, sliced bell peppers. I'm also going to layer it with some mint leaves, coriander leaves, and I sprinkle tiny amount of salt and pepper on the veggies first. Then I've topped the veggies with vermicelli noodles and coriander and mint. Here I'm going to layer the spring roll sheets again with some sliced shrimp. The shrimp also is prepared with some chili powder ahead of time and I drain the excess moisture, slice the shrimps in half. Then I've used the shrimps in this recipe. So there are many prep details that you have to follow ahead of time to prepare this shrimp spring rolls. Now you can see I'm preparing the second one. I think everybody knows how to fold and wrap the spring roll sheets. You need to be very gentle while you're folding it and rolling the spring roll sheets. Otherwise it's a very simple recipe. You prep all these ingredients. All these ingredients are easily available in the market and you get pre-cut veggies also. So you can prepare these spring roll sheets in a jiffy. Gently fold both sides of the spring rolls and then gently roll the spring rolls and form a spring roll and serve this right away. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog, social media, and all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. I've also translated and posted the same recipe in Tamil, so the Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.